This is a Raya box number 5. It was designed and made by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 6 parts inside the frame. If you like the Raya box number 5 and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. The Raya box number 5 is a part of Raya box series. There are 8 different puzzles in this series and each puzzle has a unique solution. The Raya box number 5 has 6 parts, 5 L-shaped pieces and 1 square, and it has a restriction in the opening of the frame. As you can see, there is an acrylic piece that covers just a small portion of the opening and leaves quite a big space available for you. But once you start solving the puzzle, you will find that you can easily put some of the parts inside the frame, but you won't be able to fit the last piece. And that means that you have to start over and try solving the puzzle again. The Raya box number 5 is a part of the Raya box puzzle series, as I mentioned, and each puzzle in this series is great. It has a unique solution, and it's really nice to have all puzzles from this series. So if you like the Raya box puzzle and you want to try some other puzzles from this series, go to puzzlemaster.ca.